Hey friends, welcome back to a new studio vlog for this week. Today is Sunday, January 31st, and I have a super exciting package that I'm so nervous to open up on camera, but it is my enamel pins. So these came in super quick. I think I checked and it was literally exactly 2 weeks from the date I paid my invoice till they arrived at my door. And this is my first enamel pin ever, so I'm so nervous to open it up because I'm so afraid I'm gonna hate it. I'm nervous it's not what I want and I don't want to be disappointed. I wanted to open up on camera with you guys and get my reaction. So let's go ahead and open it. Okay, maybe I should tilt you down a little. Oh, my chair's as low as it'll go. So I wanted to be able to get my face in the camera. When I take them out, okay, I'm literally looking at the viewfinder and not down. Okay. Oh my gosh, I'm so nervous. This is stupid, just open it. Okay, I see a little bit. Oh my gosh, I'm so nervous. I'm not looking. I'm looking at the viewfinder. Ooh, I think they look good. Ah! Oh my gosh. Okay. Here they are in the bag. Oh, so these must be like sample ones that, oh my gosh, I think they turned out great. Let me see if it zooms in. I think it might be like perfect, actually. The colors might be spot on. I was really nervous about the colors. My sister actually helped me design them. Oh my gosh. I love it. I can't believe the detail they can get in this. And, oh, it's a little crooked, but I got a back stamp of my logo. So I wish they rotated it just a little bit because the logo is just a little crooked. But it's JLI, which is like my logo at the moment. But look at, oh my gosh, I have to go through and grade them. But I'm so happy. They turned out so good. Are you guys excited to see this in the shop? I have to design a backing card for these. Oh my gosh, this is the perfect size and everything. Sorry, I'm just like in awe. I can't believe I turned something into a product. It always feels so good to see like an art piece you created turned into something tangible and physical that you can hold. I'm so happy. Ah! I have to send a picture to my sister. So let's double check my quantity because I believe I ordered 50. Down. Alright, let's see here. Okay, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30, 32, 34, 36, 38, 40, 42, 44, 46, 48, 50, 52, 54. Cool, so I got 54 pins. So I got a few extras. Definitely gonna keep one for myself and maybe give one to my sister for helping me out because she does a whole bunch of anime enamel pins. So she's a lot more familiar with the process and the artwork. So I'm getting these all turned over because I want to do a YouTube thumbnail, or at least a picture to go in the thumbnail. And maybe a picture to post on my Instagram too. How exciting! Oh my gosh. I'm so happy. I mean, I'm just doing a quick overview, but they all look to be like in really good shape. I don't see any major flaws right now, so I'm so happy with this manufacturer. I hope my washi tape comes out just as good. It is from a different manufacturer. Hopefully, I did get a message that the washi tape was shipped, so I don't know how quick their shipping will be, but maybe I'll get it within this vlog as well. So let me get a picture. Hello guys, happy Saturday. It is the afternoon. I don't have a video going up today because I was on calls all this week at my full-time job, which is just energy draining, so I didn't have anything prepared to go up today. However, I am working on an Ohuhu alcohol marker video for tomorrow, Sunday. I'm trying to record everything today and start editing it, and then maybe finish editing if I have to in the morning and hopefully get it up Sunday afternoon. I got these originally for Christmas, and I mentioned it in one of my videos where I did like a little mini Christmas haul. So I've never used alcohol markers before, so this is kind of going to be a video of just opening them up, swatching them, and maybe doing like a test drawing and some blending, just because I'm new to it, so I can't make some kind of amazing art piece with it. So that's what I'm working on today. I already made a TikTok of this, so if you guys don't know or haven't followed me, I do also have a TikTok. I'll leave it linked in the description below. If you follow me over there, you'll probably see a lot more behind the scenes stuff, because it takes so long to put out a video for me that you'll see it as it happens over on TikTok. Look what came today. I'm so excited. This is my washi tape. It came a couple days early, so I'm definitely going to be filming the opening of this. I didn't expect it, and I'm really excited. So now I have both my pins and the washi tape, and I can get started on doing some packaging. I don't know if I would call it packaging, but basically I want to work on making some backing cards for my enamel pins. I don't know if I want to make them myself or spend the money and splurge a little and get business cards made, like nice gold foil accent business cards, because I think it would look so nice with my pins, but I don't know if I want to spend the money just yet. Just because I'm not sure how well they'll sell, and I don't want to invest a whole lot of money, but it's just an idea I'm playing with. With the washi tape, I also need to do, I haven't opened them, but I think they come in plastic wrap, and so I want to put like a circle sticker on top with my logo and the name. Next week is Valentine's weekend, and so I want to have a video ready to go up ahead of time, scheduled. I don't want to have to stress about it last minute. I want to just enjoy Valentine's Day with Thomas. So I think what I have been doing, and I think it's been working kind of well, is doing a vlog and then a topic video or something that's basically not a studio vlog, and then another studio vlog. So studio vlogs every other week rather than trying to push one out every week, just because I work full time, so I don't have as much time to put into studio vlogs, and I do a lot of my stuff on the weekends, so that allows me 2 weeks of footage and clips to put into a studio vlog, and then I would fill the in-between weekends with topics or like art videos, something separate. So all this clips and stuff I've been gathering, this will be for the studio vlog to go up on Valentine's Day weekend, which is perfect because I should have a lot of clips already recorded, and then I can just spend the week slowly editing that and then having it scheduled in advance. Oh, I also want to make a TikTok of me opening the washi tape just like I did the enamel pins. I wanted to schedule some posts for the week. I haven't been doing very many scheduled posts up on like Twitter and Instagram. So I've been taking some pictures as I do my video, and I'll do it off the washi tape, and I think I want to start trying to get in the habit of scheduling posts. So today's definitely going to be a busy day of filming and editing. Okay guys, it's time to open the washi tape. I'm so nervous again, just like my enamel pins, because I'm nervous it's not going to turn out the way I wanted. I'm not looking. Okay, oh my god. So let me look at a little one. I've got this small stash here. I think I'm pretty happy with how they turned out. It's much better than my original washi tape. Let me bring you guys in a little closer. Okay, so here is a roll. So let me take the plastic off one so you can get a better look. Much better without the plastic on it. I'm trying to get the best way to show you guys. Maybe if I put it down on the table. I'm happy with the way it came out. Again, I was nervous, but I think I really like it. The gold foiling turned out really nice. I don't know, I was worried it might be flaking off or have black specks in it. Can't wait to get this back in the shop because this was my top seller. And let me get the original washi tape I had made to show you what a difference. So here they are in comparison. My original one is very much faded. It's not spaced out well. It has a thicker width of the tape, but the roll of tape on the original doesn't have as much tape on it. So I'm really happy with how this new tape came out. I think I have 100 rolls and I want to design a circle sticker to put on top as like the packaging for it. I hope you guys like this washi tape. I like it so much better. Let me know what you guys think. Now time to go film a TikTok about it. So I think this is like free samples of stuff they might also manufacture, which was a really nice little freebie to throw in. So I have a package here from a fellow art YouTuber. It's from Liz V Art. So if you don't know her channel, please go check her out. We have been chit-chatting on WhatsApp and we've gotten to know each other a little bit, and I definitely want to make a purchase in her shop. I like that she does the wax seals. It's really fun. It makes it feel like a package. So you should be able to see a little better. Oh no, I think the envelope stuck to the sticker. Oh. Yeah, I think some of the envelope glue got stuck to the sticker. Oh, that's too bad, but that's not her fault. I think these are freebie stickers she threw in, so thank you. I can still throw them on my sketchbook. And she wrote a little note. And I believe she hand stamps all of these. She showed the process in one of her studio vlogs. And this is her lovely rose gold business card. So here's all her information if you want to go check her out, which I highly recommend. So I ordered a pack of her stickers, her moon pack, I believe. I purchased one of her enamel pins for my new and growing collection. And it is the witch hat in rose gold. How pretty. Thank you, Liz. I wanted to show you guys that I did end up going with a business card for my backing card for my enamel pins. So this is the mock-up I created in Photoshop using just a picture of one of my pins as like a placement holder, but everything in yellow will be gold foiling. I found a company to do it pretty cheap, and unfortunately they are going to take a while to ship it, so I think they said like the 24th or the 26th. I don't know if that's just a higher estimate just because of the mail system. Hopefully it arrives sooner, but I'm excited to see how these turn out. Okay, I'm going to record an outro now, even though it's still the first day of the vlog, because I always forget to record outros. And I'm not going to know what's happened during the vlog, but I always seem to forget to record outros when I'm done. So I want to have one recorded for when I edit. So thank you so much for watching this week's video. I hope you enjoyed it. And if you did, click the like button below. And if you want to see more studio vlogs, art, or business videos, make sure to click that subscribe button. Thanks so much for watching, guys, and I will see you in the next one. Bye! Gotta scoot over for all my things.